Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you what is the use of timeline on Google Maps. If you observe on Google Maps, there is an option called timelines and how it is useful and what data we can get from that timeline. I'll show you. This is on the Google Maps. You need to click on your profile picture at right top corner and here you will see your timeline. So this is respect to this Gmail account and you need to click on your timeline. And timeline in the sense it opens, see here, today it opens your calendar, and once you open the calendar it shows the days where you have traveled to somewhere. I'm clicking on this drop down. See here the highlighted dates, for example yesterday. Oh no, uh yes, see here, on yesterday I traveled to somewhere, and on 5th and on 10th and on 11th I have traveled to somewhere. And remember, Google will keep this data of traveling or going to somewhere if your location is turned on. Maybe my location, my phone location is turned on these days, and not only turning on this Google location, live location, but also I have traveled to somewhere. So when you tap on this particular date, you will get the information. For example, on 5th. See here, these are the locations where I have traveled. I use my bike, two wheeler, to travel to somewhere. So, like this way, this timeline option is useful. For example, if you want to check back on a particular date that you have visited some place, you can do that and click on this uh, arrow button to get back to the previous months of this year, and click on this to get the previous years. So the highlighted dates will have some information of traveling. So as far as my knowledge concern, if the Google location is turned on that particular date and you have traveled, then only this data will be available, so you can check back and make this data useful. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.